Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add more shortcuts on Google Chrome. So Google Chrome allows you a certain amount of shortcuts. It allows you 10 shortcuts on the home page. But I'm going to show you methods to work around this and add more shortcuts. To demonstrate this, I'm going to open up the site of MDN and I'm going to show you how you can add this as a shortcut on your Google Chrome profile. So for the first method, what you need to do is add this website on your bookmark bar. To add it on your bookmark bar, what you need to do is go to the address bar and on the right corner, you'll see a star icon. When you click on the star icon, you can add the website as a bookmark. You can edit the name and the folder. Since we want this site to be as a shortcut on our bookmark bar, we will select the folder that says bookmark bar. And then once we are done, we'll click on done. And as you can see, the website appears on the bookmark bar and functionally acts as a shortcut. So another method that we have is to open the side panel, which is found on the right corner below our profile button. Click on it and you'll see an option that says open side panel to see all bookmarks. Click on that and you can add any tab you want here. So I'm going to add the current tab by selecting the button that says add current tab on the bottom. So when you do that, you can add any website tab here. So now I can go to the side panel and simply open up the website from the list of shortcuts here. So these are two methods to add more shortcuts on Google Chrome. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.